Hello, Shubham this side. I am a transformation coach and welcome to this video. And आज के इस वीडियो में we will discuss कि क्या different तरीके हैं, what are the different ways to control your cravings really, okay? And this will be simple ways, not easy ways, because controlling cravings is not an easy task, okay? It is a hard task, and that is why we are right now into obesity pandemic situation. Okay, now let's understand. Okay, because corona is treatable, like we have vaccines for it, right? But we don't have the exact medicine or exact pill or exact solution for obesity. Now obesity या फिर आप weight loss या फिर आपका कुछ भी goal है, it can be muscle building, it can be fat loss. Okay, now this all the goals can only be achieved through your self control and self awareness. These are the only two variables, okay, two things, two ways to really get in your best shape of your body. Okay, and self control. Okay, now control may you also have to have your control on cravings. Now how you can do that, we will discuss in this video, and make sure you stay till the end, because at the end I am going to give you a gift. Okay, and this is going to be a surprise gift, so make sure you are going to stay till the end. Okay, so first way to achieve develop control for your cravings is, of course, it is not an easy way. Okay, मैंने जैसे आपको बोला था, controlling cravings is not an easy task, but it is a simple task. And how you can do that? Remember your goals. आपके goals remember करो, वो आपके आंखों के सामने लाओ. Okay, why you really started the process, why really you started on your plan, your program. Okay, and if I do this, okay, कभी कभार करो तो ठीक है, but if you are doing it frequently or every day, then remind yourself कि this is going to lead you to the situation that you were in previously, right? So remember your goals that you want to achieve. The second reason is drink water. Okay, drink water before. Now अपना body is like complex. Okay, our body is some like very intelligent but also a complex system. Okay, अपना body confuse कर देता है हमको अपने प्यास में and अपने hunger में. Okay, भूख में और प्यास में हम confuse हो जाते हैं, and majority people do is they grab something to eat rather than having some water. Okay, so it is every time better, okay, if you can test, if you can check, is it really a thirst or is it really a hunger? Okay, so first you can have water, see that आपका body isn't it like, are you feeling full? And अगर आपको नहीं लगता है, then you can have something healthy option. Okay, replace your unhealthy options with healthy options. For example, अगर आपको चॉकलेट के क्रेविंग्स होते हैं, हैव डेट्स. ओके, जो खजूर होते हैं. ओके, यू कैन रिप्लेस योर अनहेल्दी ऑप्शंस विथ हेल्दी ऑप्शंस, सो दैट इट विल नॉट हार्म यू दैट मच. देन थर्ड थिंग इज यू कैन ईट मोर प्रोटीन. ओके, आप प्रोटीन ज़्यादा खा सकते हो. हाउ यू कैन इंक्लूड प्रोटीन इन योर डाइट? If you are a vegetarian, you can include like protein options in every meal. Okay, आपके lunch में, आपके breakfast में, आपके dinner में you can include paneer, you can include dal, lentils, you can include rajma, chana, choli, okay, legumes. So these are, and also if you are non-vegetarian like me, okay, आप eggs खा सकते हो, chicken breast खा सकते हो, fish खा सकते हो, और sometimes mutton भी खा सकते हो. Okay, so these are the options. Then how you can so the fourth way, okay, is to get proper sleep. बहुत सारे लोग they get busy watching stuff on social media. वो endless scrolling करते रहते हैं, right? And they get lost in social media or YouTube or anything. So don't binge watch. Okay, Netflix के series हो, okay, you can watch them in your afternoon, okay, in your leisure time, but don't use your night time to watch. Okay, so less sleep increases stress. So make sure you are having adequate sleep so that आपका body ज़्यादा stress नहीं लेगा. Okay, it won't develop stress much. And again, life is not simple. Okay, it is a journey. It has many curves or directions or many roadblocks. Okay, so sometimes there comes some stressful situations. So prepare for setbacks. Okay, ऐसे situations के लिए आप setbacks set कर सकते हो. Okay, you can pre-plan your setbacks. अगर आपको for sometimes like if argument happens or anything happens, okay, the only option you can control your emotional eating is by moving more. Okay, आपको ज़्यादा move करना पड़ेगा. How you can do that? Go for a walk in garden or on the mountain or anything. Okay, go outside, go roam somewhere. Okay, then you can run, then you can exercise, you can do some dance exercise or whatever that can remove your stress. Okay, just decrease your stress. Then indulge in hobby. Okay, आपके hobby में busy हो जाओ. Then talk to friends. Okay, या family members. Okay, family members. So this way you can reduce your stress. Then do less cardio. Okay, आपका like what people do is वो weight loss के चक्कर में they start doing more cardio in the hope of getting fast results, but it is not sustainable. आप ही सोचो, your body can't resist much. Okay, आप भले ही 1 महीना कर लोगे, maybe you can do for 2 months, but you can't sustain that. Okay, you can't resist your body for a longer time. It should be sustainable. It should be sustainable. Okay, gradual progress karo. Okay, start gradually. For example, if you are doing 5 minutes exercise, if you are doing 15 minutes exercise, gradually increase to 20 minutes, 25 minutes, 30 minutes. If you are doing 10 minutes cardio, gradually increase sometimes like 15 minutes. Okay, don't over exercise or overspend your energy. Okay, in doing something like cardio. Then seventh way is don't eat less. बहुत सारे लोग weight loss पाने के चक्कर में they start eating less. Okay, which is not right thing. Okay, you just have to eat the right nutrition. You just have to choose the right options. Okay, जैसे मैंने आपको बोला, instead of having chocolate, you can start eating khajur, right? Then how you can do that? Have frequent meals. आपके हर 3 घंटे में 4 घंटे में you can have frequent meals. And in frequent meals आप क्या खा सकते हो? You can have complex carbs. Okay, carbohydrates. Now complex carbohydrates होते क्या है? It is a type of carbohydrate. Okay, carbohydrate is a energy source for your body. Okay, जो भी आप normally चीजें खाते हो, okay, it provides you carbohydrates, which is a macronutrient. And there are 2 types of carbohydrates. पहला होता है simple carb and another is complex carb. Simple is it gets immediately digested. Okay, वो आपके blood stream में immediately release हो जाता है. And complex carbs are little bit hard to digest, so it takes time. It digests slowly. So it also gives you a sustained energy. So आपको भूख जल्दी नहीं लगती है, right? So what are the options to eat complex carbs? You can start eating oats, which is also good in fiber. आप sweet potato खा सकते हो. In Marathi it is said ratada. Okay, so I don't know in Hindi. So sweet potato, whole wheat bread. Okay, आप brown bread खा सकते हो, brown rice खा सकते हो. Okay, so there are options. And finally we are in the end of this video. The gift for you is you can download my free weight loss guide. You can download it from the description. In the description आप उसका link ढूंढ सकते हो और you can directly go here. Free guide. Okay, you can go to shubhambhalekar.com/free guide. And also I conduct webinars. Okay, free webinars in which I reveal 3 secrets to lose weight easily. In case if you are looking for to lose weight or looking for a better way to lose weight, then come to my webinar where I will guide you through how you can get started on your journey. Okay, the spelling is wrong. 3 secrets. Okay, so you can come here shubhambhalekar.com/3 secrets. Okay, so these are all the options. I will repeat all of this. The first way is it is not simple. Okay, it is not easy, it is simple. Okay, रिमेंबर योर आपके गोल्स रिमेंबर करो कि आपने एग्जैक्टली शुरुआत क्यों किया था एंड व्हाट इज केप्ट देयर इन ईटिंग व्हाट यू वांट टू ईट फ्रीक्वेंटली. ओके, अगर आप फिर से वही चालू करोगे देन यू विल लैंड अप इन द सेम सिचुएशन. ओके, सो रिमेंबर योर गोल्स. ड्रिंक वाटर बिफोर. आपको कभी भी आपको लगता है कि मैं भूखा हूं या फिर यू फील लाइक आपको भूख लगी है, सो ट्राई फर्स्ट टू ड्रिंक वाटर, 1 ग्लास ऑफ वाटर एंड सी इफ आपका बॉडी फुलफिल हो रहा है क्या, लाइक आपकी बॉडी कैसी फील करे. एंड इफ यू स्टिल फील हंग्री देन ईट समथिंग. ओके, ईट समथिंग. अगर आपको चॉकलेट खाने की इच्छा होती है तो और इफ यू वांट टू ईट स्वीट देन यू कैन ईट सम खजूर्स. ओके, और एन हेल्दी ऑप्शन गुड़. Then third is eat more protein, include vegetarian and non-vegetarian options like this, paneer, lentils, legumes, eggs, chicken, fish. Okay, get proper sleep, don't binge watch. रात को देखना नहीं है movies and all. Okay, less sleep leads to more stress. And कभी भी stressful situations आती है, to stop emotional eating you can move more, walk, run, exercise, hobby, talk to friend and family. आप बहुत सारे लोग कार्डियो के चक्कर में they do excess cardio. And because of that they land into much of cravings, so you can ignore you can avoid much of cardio. Okay, don't over exercise. Then don't eat less, eat right. Frequent meals खा सकते हो आप. complex carbs include करो आपके diet में. oats, sweet potato, whole wheat bread, brown rice. And I also have a gift. You can come to download my free weight loss guide and you can also come to my free webinar. So that was all for how you can control the cravings. And thank you for sticking to this video. I hope this video has given you some information, and if you got some information, do like this video, subscribe to my channel, enable the notifications, and we'll see you in another video. Thank you so much.